Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on mobile. While the game isn't directly on your phone, cloud gaming makes it possible. You'll need a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, to stream the game smoothly. This method lets you enjoy the full console experience right in your hands, transforming your mobile device into a portable gaming screen. To get started, you'll need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This service includes Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is the key to playing Forza Horizon 5. Next, download the free Xbox Game Pass app from your device's App Store. Finally, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox wireless controller, to your phone for the best experience. Once your subscription is active and your controller is connected, open the Xbox Game Pass app and sign in. Browse the extensive game library until you find Forza Horizon 5. Simply tap the play button and the game will begin streaming directly to your mobile device. You'll be racing through Mexico's vibrant landscapes in just a few moments. For the best experience, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to minimize lag. Also, make sure your phone is fully charged or connected to power, as streaming can consume battery quickly. A phone clip that attaches your device to your controller can greatly enhance comfort during longer play sessions, providing a more immersive and stable setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.